To set Google Tags, reminders, lock screen notification as a content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen and then tap settings for Google Apps. Tap search assistant and voice, and then tap notifications. Select notifications again, and then tap tags reminders, and then scroll down screen, tap lock screen, and then select show content. Now Google reminder notification in lock screen set as show content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.